Good morning students, welcome. So today we are going to continue with the chapter number 14, factorization of maths subject, and this is part 2 of the chapter. Now our next topic is division of algebraic expressions. Now we are going to see how to divide the algebraic expression. Before that, in the previous video we seen about the factorization and applying identities. Yes, now here we are going to start with division. Now how to divide any algebraic expression? Just have a look. See here one example. I will take 6x cube divide by 2x. How to divide this? Very easy. You have to find the factor 6x cube divide by 2x. Simple. 6x cube divide by 2x. So what are the factors of 6? 2 into 3 and x cube as it is, and here you divide it by 2 into x. So you can cancel 2 into 2, x cube you can write 3 raised to x raised to 3 minus 1. Here this is one power, so in division powers are separated. So here you will write it as 3x squared. Easy? समझ में आया how to divide, how to do the division of algebraic expressions? आप उनके factors निकाल के divide कर सकते हैं. One more example you will be seeing from your textbook. Minus 20x raised to 4 minus 20x raised to 4 divide by 10x square. Simple. उनके factors निकालने हैं, factorization करना है. What are the factors of minus 20? So you can write minus 2 into 10 into x raised to 4 upon 10 into x square. 10 and 10 cancel. Yes, what remains? Minus 2. 4 power is bigger, so x raised to 4 minus 2. This 2 power is to be subtracted, so this will give you minus 2x square. This is the answer. Very easy. सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes. One more example of your textbook you will see here. Just have a look. 7x square y square z square. 7x square y square z square divide by 14x yz. So here again you will write the factors 7 into x square into y square into z square upon 14. You can write 2 into 7 into x into y into z. So 7 and 7 gets cancelled out. What remains? 1 upon 2 x raised to, because bigger power is there, 2 minus 1 y raised to 2 minus 1 z raised to 2 minus 1. So here it will be x y z upon 2. This is your answer. Or you can write it as in the same, you can write it like this way also, half x y z. Both are correct. Understood? Very easy. How to do the division of algebraic expression? This was dividing monomial by a monomial. Yeah? Now next we will see how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Now students, let's see how to divide an algebraic expression that is polynomial by a monomial. This is a polynomial term and this is monomial. Yeah? Understood? Now let's see here. Just write 24. First term को ले लें. अभी आप x square yz, xy square z, xyz square. इन सब में से आप x, y, z कॉमन ले सकते हैं. Yeah? What remains inside the bracket? Here remains only one x, here one y, and here only one z. Divide by a x, y, z. And 24 students you can write factors of as 3 into 8. Yeah? So now you can cancel 8 and 8, x, y, z gets cancelled. What remains? 3 x plus y plus z. This is how we divide a polynomial by a monomial. Next is how Example of your textbook. Example number, this is 15. Yeah. Before that, one more example. 7x square plus 14x. पहले छोटा सा करके लिखेंगे, फिर 15 करेंगे. Divide by x plus 2. Now this is polynomial. This is polynomial. दोनों monomial नहीं है, right? So what we will be doing here, 7x square और plus 14x में से आप 7x कॉमन ले सकते हैं. What remains? x plus 2 divide by x plus 2. x plus 2, x plus 2 gets cancelled out. What remains? Your answer is 7x. Understood? Is it clear? Yeah, I hope you understood this. Yes, students. Now have a look. This is example number 15 of your textbook. Divide 44 x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square by 11x into x minus 8. अभी students इसमें क्या है ना, हम पहले जो ये बड़ा वाला पॉलिनोमियल है इसके फैक्टर्स सेपरेटली फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Like you write it as 44. Now you see here. First we take this term. Yes. इसमें से आप x कॉमन ले सकते हैं. x कॉमन है. What remains? x square you can take common. Yeah. 44x square. What remains? X square minus 5x minus 20. Good students. पहले हम इसको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, राइट? फिर डिवीजन करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे हमने x square कॉमन ले लिया. Now 44x square. This you can see, this is splitting of middle term. x plus a और x plus b वाला फैक्टर. माइनस 24 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, माइनस 24. अब माइनस 24 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे जो x सेपरेट करने पे आपको माइनस 5 मिलेगा. 24 का टेबल अप्लाई करेंगे. किसके होते हैं? 8 3s are 24. You will take that factors because 8 minus 3 is 5 and 8 into 3 is 24. But यहाँ पे माइनस 5 है, मतलब 8 को हम नेगेटिव लेंगे. x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24. इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने किया है माइनस 8 प्लस 3 इज माइनस 5 एंड माइनस 8 इंटू प्लस 3 इज माइनस 24. हमारा वो सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है. सो दिस इज 44x स्क्वायर. हियर यू टेक कॉमन. ये इसको आप इस तरह से रखेंगे. x स्क्वायर कॉमन लेंगे. x पहले वाले में से, सो व्हाट रिमेन्स x minus 8 प्लस 3 यू टेक कॉमन. व्हाट रिमेन्स x minus 8. So what are the factors? 44x square, x minus 8 and x plus 3. This is how we first solve this one. तो अभी हमको ये फैक्टर्स मिल गए. अभी हम ये याद रखेंगे 44x square, x plus x minus 8 और x plus 3. ये समझ में आ गया. Then next आप क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे. So 44 को आप लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 into 11 and x square you can write x into x into factors are x minus 8 and x plus 3. x minus 8 x plus 3 divide by 11x. You can write 11 into x minus 8. See, ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है. हमने पहले इसको सॉल्व कर दिया ये वाले टर्म को. अभी हम डिवीजन कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट कैंसिल्स आउट? 11 and 11, x and x minus 8 and x minus 8. So what remains? 2 into 2 4, 4x into x plus. This is your final answer. 4x into x plus 3. Now you have started division from here. Is it clear? समझ में आया सबको कैसे करना है? या पहले आप जो बड़ा पॉलिनोमियल है उसको सॉल्व करेंगे, फिर उसको बाद में डिवाइड करेंगे. दिस इज हाउ वी डू डिवीजन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल बाय पॉलिनोमियल. मैं एक आध एग्जांपल्स आपके टेक्स्ट बुक से भी लूंगी, वो भी आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. ये आपको समझ में आ गया? या सो वी विल सी 2 or 3 एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम योर एक्सरसाइज. टेक्स्ट बुक मींस एक्सरसाइज के लिए. दिस इज एवरीथिंग from your textbook. And see students, textbook is the part of your course. Look this sum once again और फिर हम exercise start करते हैं. Yes students, one more example of division of algebraic expression. This is from your exercise question number 3. Sum number 3 या 4 है. 1 और 2 question is very easy. आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे ना भी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, this complete polynomial is to be divided by this. तो पहले हम कैसे करेंगे, इसको फैक्टराइज कर लेते हैं, इससे साथ साथ में लेते जाएंगे 96 को हम लिख सकते हैं 16 6 into a into b into c. Now this bracket 3a minus 12. So here you will take 3 common. What remains? A minus 4 into 5b minus 30. You will take 5 common. What remains? B minus 6. Just have a look. 96 I have done 16 into 16. A, B, C as it is. In first bracket we have taken 3 common. Remains A minus 4 into 5 common. What remains? B minus 6. Divide by 144. This is 16 9s are 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Now here you can directly cancel out 16 6s are, and here 3 1s are and 3 3s are, and 3 1s are 3 2s are. What remains? A minus 4, a minus 4, b minus 6, b minus 6 cancel out. So what remains? Here everything is cancelled out. In the denominator what remains? 2 into 5. 10 a, b, c. Is it clear? 2 5 are 10, 10 a, b, c. This is how we do the sum. दोनों को फैक्टराइज किया, उसको न्यूमरेटर में, इसको डिनोमिनेटर में, जो कॉमन टर्म्स थे वो कैंसिल आउट, एंड द आंसर इज 10 a, b, c. क्लियर? समझ में आया? एक और एग्जांपल हम लेंगे आपकी एक्सरसाइज का. दिस इज एक्सरसाइज 14.3. Yes students, now look, question number 4 of your 14.3, and this is 7th sum of that. Now what to do here? Just see 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square into 5y plus 7. So first we will be solving this. पहले हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 39y cube into 50y square minus 98. इसको सॉल्व कर लो पहले. तो 39y cube as it is. यहाँ पे आप 50y square minus 98 में से आप 2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं. Take 2 common. What remains? 25y square minus 49. Just have a look. पहले सिर्फ हम ये वाला फर्स्ट टर्म सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, फर्स्ट पॉलीनोमियल. So this is 39y cube into 2 is common. Now this is 5y का square. See here, this is difference of 2 square. Identity apply होगी. 5y square minus 7y square. A square minus b square. So what we can write it as 39y cube into 2 5y plus 7 5y minus 7. So now you divide. Therefore, what you will write? 39y cube. 39 you can write 33 are. 3 into 13y cube into 2 5y plus 7 5y minus 7 divide by 26 is 2 into 13. Yeah, y square into y square into 5y plus 7. This will give you here what you will be doing. 5y plus 7 and 5y plus 7 cancel. 2 and 2 cancel. 13 and 13 cancel. And here this was y square. Sorry, not cube. This is square. So what remain in the numerator? 3y cube into 5y minus 7. 3y cube into 5y minus 7 upon just here y square remains. y square. 1 y square. यहाँ पे y cube की पावर है, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर की. So 3 minus 2 we will be doing 3 into y raised to 3 minus 2 into 5y minus 7. So this will give you 3 minus 2 is 1. So what will be answer? 3y into 5y minus 7. Understood? This is how we did the sum. Easy. पहले हमने फर्स्ट वाले को सॉल्व किया, फिर फैक्टराइज करके हमने उनको डिवाइड किया। ये वाले सम्स में आपको स्टूडेंट्स प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी। मैंने फिर भी 2 एग्जांपल्स आपके एक्सरसाइज के भी एक्सप्लेन किए हैं, सारे एग्जांपल्स भी देखेंगे, so you will get through the sums easily. So for this part we conclude here. This was revision. Next we will be discussing in our next video. This much for this part. Thank you students. Stay safe. Keep learning.